name is Bruno Carboni. I am from Brazil, and I am the director of the movie O Teto Sobre, in English, The Roof Above Us. We shot most of the film in a squat in my city, Porto Alegre. This squat is in an abandoned building just in the downtown area of the city. I was visiting this squat and knowing the people and knowing their stories and also knowing the other evictions that were happening in that building. And so we create this story that merge documentary and fiction, talk about these housing issues in Brazil, and also create this fable about this theme, and creating this story about these housing issues in Brazil. That is very common in our country, so the film came from this.